So I just cleaned all the cages and the stand, and I got a little dish up here, and Minion was probably going to take a bath, and they were standing over here waiting around while I cleaned. Come on up. There we go. There we go. Water. Minion loves water. He's already drinking it. Nautica's drinking it. And he's figured out it's a pool. Nautica doesn't get in. I wish she would get in and get clean. Right, Minion? Are you clean? Are you a swimming Budgie? Budgie sneeze. So cute sound. You dirty Budgie. There's not gonna be any water left for Nautica. He broke his new tail feather already. I'm all wet. He's thrown water all over the place. It smells like wet chicken. I don't think Nautica's gonna swim. She doesn't like baths. She doesn't like spray bottles. But she has to be sprayed because her feathers are getting gross. Minion, come here. Budgie, come here. Come here, good boy. Look how wet you've gotten. He's all wet. He went into the bath a few more times. Wondering where all the toys in the play gym went. I gotta put everything back. Everything's been washed. Minion! Come here. Come here, up. Let's see what you look like. You're a wet parakeet. A wet Budgie.